Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Canva Carousel, only way. Open Canva, set a custom size for a multi-slide post, and create a master slide for consistency. Design a bold cover that hooks viewers, then craft 3 to 7 value slides that are skimmable. Use grids and spacing to balance text and images, and export as a single PNG or PDF sequence for posting. Keep each slide focused on one idea. Start with your cover concept and a clear headline that promises value, then duplicate a master slide to maintain layout. Break complex info into bite-sized slides and use contrast to highlight key points. Insert simple icons or images that support the message rather than distract. Keep text lines short and readable, and test visibility at small sizes. Finish with a strong call to action that tells viewers what to do next. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making tutorials you enjoy. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can reshape how you think about money and freedom, and it pairs surprisingly well with learning to market your skills. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a copy if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. When you finish designing, export slides in the best format for your platform and check file order before uploading. Compress files only if loading speed becomes an issue, and preview on a mobile device to confirm readability. Add captions and hashtags that match your audience search terms. Schedule the post at a peak time and monitor engagement to iterate on future carousels based on what resonated most with viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.